I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana Sid and Apron. Welcome to the kitchen. Gonna use the air fryer again. It just finished heating up. I'm gonna make some caramel apple empanadas. Caramel apple pie, I guess, is what it is, but empanadas, nonetheless. I already have my dough ready. It's I will put a link below that shows you the recipe for the dough. But let's get started. And I have another project that's going over there. Over there in the oven. I've got my air fryer preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and spray the fire out of it with some of this olive oil. The only thing I have is, besides my crust, is this is the little delicious little caramels that you can get in the bakery section at your grocer. A can of apple pie filling. That's what we got. That's what we're going to be using. Here is our crust that I have prepared. All right, yeah. Let's spray this real good. Oh, you want an egg wash ready too, because you're gonna put that on each one of your empanadas after we get them made, of course. We're gonna put it on each one of them. And we're also gonna spray them with this is what I use, olive oil spray. But here we go. Now if you have one of the crimpers, I do, but it didn't work too good the last time I tried it. I'm not going to use one. We're just going to put some of the apples in there. Make sure you leave enough space around the edge so that we're going to push it down together and seal it with a fork, with the tines of a fork. Lay them down. Yeah. We're going to sprinkle some of these caramels on here and hope that it doesn't run out all over the place. I'm not measuring it. I'm just dabbing them on there. And every now and then I shove one in my face. Of course I do, right? Alright. Yeah, let me get this picked up. I've got to move this over out of the way. Bring this in here instead. Alright. Yeah, up and over. I'm going to pull that apple out of there. Rinse my hands. Yeah, have your plate or something ready because this is messy. We're just going to run that around like that. Mash it down. Now, we're going to spray it with nonstick spray. And we're going to brush it with, I'm just using egg white that was left over from making the crust. And yeah, I'm going to flip it over. Spray it. Brush it. We're going to put it in the preheated air fryer, and then I'm going to grab another one and do the same thing. Now I'm going to do that repeatedly. I've got 6 crust for empanada over here, and I'm gonna do this 6 times. So I'll be back with you in just a minute. Okay, I've got these 2 in, and we're gonna go ahead and close this up. Get it back up to 400. We're gonna do 7 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it over and do another 7. So, when these are finished, I'm gonna pull them out and we'll take a look at them, see how they turn out. And then, of course, we're gonna do a taste test. But let me go ahead and get the rest of these made and ready to put in this air fryer. Okay. Timer's done. Oh, wow. Here we go. Look at that. Can you see? Wow. Let me put this on plates. You already know I got plates sitting over here. Wow. This looks good. And it sure does smell good. But I do have to pop a couple more of them in. And, ooh, let me clean up this mess in there just a little bit. But, look at that. I'm going to jazz it up just a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay. This is actually the sugar-free caramel sauce that you can get at your grocer that's made by Smucker's. Look at that. Yeah, you know we're going to try these. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Alright, of course we have Tom, that's my taste tester. He's ready to give this a try. Yeah, probably hot. Is it good? Yeah, I'm assuming, yeah, I guess.
That's amazing.
Ah, thank you. Thank you. Alright. This one's mine. Well, yes, I have just a few apples on the side. And yes, I have just a little whipped cream. And of course, I put a few of the little caramels that I put down inside on the top. You gotta let yourself, you gotta remind yourself what you put in it, right? Look at that. My word. Well, besides the hot dog, that's good. Now, I have to tell you, this recipe was inspired by my hairdresser. Her name is Tamara. She was talking about a restaurant where she used to go get, I'm going to snag me another little bite, y'all. Where she used to get some caramel apple empanadas for her grandmother, I think she said. And we were actually talking about my empanadas, my chicken empanadas that I made. And I said, you know what? You just gave me the idea for a new recipe. And there it is. Caramel apple empanadas. Give it a try. What a wonderful, wonderful treat. They don't take long to make. You can go ahead and cook some of these up and then just heat them just a little bit and have them throughout the week. Have them on your holiday meal. Have them with your holiday meal. Just, we're having a bite of it before we have a bite of supper. So, alright, y'all take care. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click the notification bell so that you know each time we put new content on. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and we'll see you next time. Bye.